Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing this cute little updo ponytail with a side bang. This gives me so much 90s nostalgia and I could not wait to recreate it. I did it previously on my hair for this event and it was just super cute and I wanted to recreate it for you guys on YouTube. So if you are interested to see how I got this look, make sure you stick around and find out. Okay, so for starters, I'm going to start out with detangling my hair, of course, making sure there aren't any knots or tangles. Once I finish detangling, I'm going to part out my hair, part out the section that I want as my bang. I'm going to use the arch of my eyebrow for like a guide of where I want my bang piece to start. Again, I'm doing a side bang, so I definitely want to make sure I part it out the way that I want it to. And then once I do that, I'm just going to braid it and get it up out the way, and then we're going to work on the ponytail piece. So before I actually put my hair in a ponytail, I am going to part out a little bit of hair in the front to act as like my edges. And for this time, I'm only using 𝐂𝐮𝐫𝐫𝐞𝐧𝐭. Being that my hair is straight, I don't like to put a lot of product. Yeah, I am still stretching this blowout. I did this blowout like a month ago. I'm still stretching it. It's still holding up pretty good. So we're just going, rock with it. So I'm making sure to just put 𝐂𝐮𝐫𝐫𝐞𝐧𝐭 pretty much on my whole head, just so it's neat and my ponytail is flat. Brushing the back, making sure that's intact, and then we're going to begin to brush our hair into a high ponytail. I like my ponytail to sit somewhat on the top of my head just because it gives like that high genie ponytail look, real cute. So once I secure it, I am going to start on my bang piece. So the bang piece is very simple. First, I'm definitely going to start out by brushing, making sure there's no knots. And then I'm going to take the hair and just like swoop it around my forehead, taking the piece of hair or the end of the hair, semi-end, and tuck it behind my ear just so it can create the hole that I need until I pin it up, of course. But yeah, it's real simple. You just basically take the hair and just swoop it around your head into the back and pin it with a bobby pin. Don't worry about the bobby pin showing. Just make sure that you put the bobby pin a little bit higher in the back so that the hair that's coming down, it'll cover the bobby pin, so you don't have to worry about that. But if you feel like your bobby pin might still be showing, you can always put like a scarf or something, to act as like a little head wrap to cover it. But when I do it this way, when I put the pin real high, it doesn't show. My hair is long enough to cover it. So yeah, this is just me fixing the bang piece, making sure it stays in place. I did put a scarf just to like hold down my bangs so it wouldn't go anywhere. And yeah, it's really simple. You don't have to do too much for this. Now onto the edges, I'm using this Mayo edge control. Love this stuff. And I'm just gonna swoop. The typical swoop, nothing to it. And then also making sure to swoop down my sideburn. And then after I do my edges, of course, we're going to move on to the actual ponytail. Take a little piece of hair and like wrap it around the ponytail holder so that that's hidden and it just looks seamless. So for the ponytail, I'm basically going to just bump my ends just to give it like that 90s kind of, you know, bumped ends. You know what I'm talking about. When you ask your mom to leave your hair straight after she, you know, flat iron that hot comb do whatever, and she added that little bump to your ends. That's what I'm gonna be doing to my hair, just to give off that 90s nostalgic look. And once I bump my edges, the look is pretty much complete. Very simple, nothing to it. It is so simple, but it looks very effortless, like you took your time with it. So yeah, that's the goal. All 2024, we're gonna work smarter, not harder when it comes to our hair, okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Follow me on my social media sites. And also don't forget to leave a comment letting me know if you recreate it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.